జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సాంఖ్యయోగం 46th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "Ho Arjuna, imagine if there is full of water in the pond. One person goes there. If he is thirsty, he would take the water from the pond so that he would quench his thirst. He would not care about the rest of the water. He would take only that much of water by which he would be able to quench his thirst. So also other people, if somebody wants to take bath, he would take only that much of water and he would not care about the rest of the water." So also Vedas is like a huge pile of recommendations, prescriptions of rituals for different fruits, different means of rituals is prescribed in Vedas. Now, what is your goal? What is your need? You want to get your Atma Sakshatkaram. So that is your goal. For that, to attain that goal, whatever is mentioned in Vedas, whatever the activities are mentioned in Vedas, only that much you have to take and start practicing those activities, start observing those activities. You don't have to take the entire scripture Veda into consideration. You take whatever is needed, and so those activities helps you improve your sattvika gunam, by which you will be able to attain your goal, which is Atma Sakshatkaram. That is how you need to look into Vedas. You just take whatever is needed, and the rest of the Vedic prescriptions are not needed to you. You don't have to worry about that. You just be reluctant about all the rest of Vedas and all the rest of Vedic prescriptions. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to take only those activities from Vedas which will help us improve our Sattvika Gunam, by which we will be able to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Having this Krishna Paramatma's Upadesam running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Yavanardha udapane sarvataha samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, Always think about me, manmana bhava. Become my devotee, Madbhakto Bhava. Do every of your activity as my service, Madhyaji Bhava. Do namaskaram to me, Mam Namaskuru. Surrender to me alone unconditionally, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry, Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you do like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on doing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Saunaka and other Maharshis asking Suta Maharshi, O Suta Maharshi, all the devotees always Asya Padam Bhoja Makarandaliham Satam always wants to enjoy the divine nectar, the divine attributes of Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is what they always want to do. They do never waste their precious life. O Suta Maharshi, we all collected here in Naimisaranyam. We are doing Satrayagam. We are enjoying Paramatma's divine qualities. Also, O Suta Maharshi, we invited Mrityu also here. Though the Mrityu's duty is to kill someone, that Mrityu completely forgot its own duty. You know why? Because that Mrityu also involved, completely drowned in enjoying Piyeta Hari Leelamrutam, enjoying Kalyana Gunamrutam of Paramatma. Mrityu would not go any closer to anyone who is listening to Paramatma's Kalyana Gunas. Mrityu would not dare to reach the one who is discoursing Paramatma's Kalyana Gunas. O Maharshi, But in the world, there are some people who have no knowledge about Paramatma and his Kalyana Gunas. What are they doing? They are wasting their precious life. Nidraya hriyate naktam divacha vyardhakarmabhihi. మందునకు మందబుద్ధికి మందాయువునకు నిరర్ధ మార్గములను గోవింద చరణారవింద మకరందము గొణతెరపి లేదు రాత్రిందివముల్. దే వుడ్ నాట్ ఫైండ్ any time to enjoy Paramatma and his divine attributes, because they just want to waste their life. They would waste their night time in their sleep. In the daytime, they would just do all kind of useless works, and they would never pay their attention towards Paramatma. Like that, they are wasting their most valuable, precious life. But O Suta Maharshi, we do want to enjoy only Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine attributes, divine activities, divine stories. O Suta Maharshi, please you disclose Krishna Paramatma's stories to all of us. Like this, Saunaka and other Maharshis requesting Suta Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Sri Vallabheti Varadeti Dayapareti Bhakta Priyeti భవలుంఠనకో విదేతి నాధేతి నాగశయనేతి జగన్నివాసేతి ఆలాపనం ప్రతిపదం కురు మే ముకుంద. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయ గురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 46th శ్లోక. యావానర్ధ ఉదపానే సర్వతః సంప్లుతోదకే తావాన్ సర్వేషు వేదేషు బ్రాహ్మణస్య విజానతః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.